Good day, my friends. Business. Alliance Emotion Global is a number one multi-level marketing company in the world. This company is one of the leading multi-level marketing company in the world right now. We have won numerous awards to prove this. Alliance Emotion Global was awarded as number one direct selling company in the world for 2015 and also the number one direct selling company in the world for the year 2016. So this company has won this award for 2 consecutive years. So here are images of various awards that we've won around the globe. You can see images of different awards won by Alliance Emotion Global. What does Alliance Emotion Global do? Alliance Emotion Global has a fast growing food business chain across the world. AIM Global is present in over 200 countries. We have offices in Nigeria, we have offices in Kenya, Ghana, Cameroon, Togo, Uganda, Ivory Coast, Dubai, Taiwan, Singapore, and numerous countries around the world. So Alliance Emotion Global is present in various countries around the world. So this is a solid company. What does AIM Global market? AIM Global markets organic food, supplements, and beverages. Yes, our products are food supplements and beverages, and our products have the halal and kosher approval. So this product is safe for both the Muslims and the Jews. So no matter the religion you are practicing, you can take this product. So why do most people do this business? Here are 9 reasons why we do this business. 1. AIM Global has a daily payout system. What you earn today can be withdrawn today. So we have a daily payout system. There is no target. You do this business at your pleasure. Nobody is giving you a target or a limit. Then you can have multiple accounts. If you want to make more money from the business, you can create multiple accounts for yourself. Then we have access to quality health products. Then we have access to free international trips. As a member of Alliance Emotion Global, each year those who qualify can go on free international trips. Then selling is not compulsory. Selling is not a must. Nobody is forcing you to sell anything. You have free training and support. Then commission is paid directly into your bank account. So you can see that this is very easy. You don't have to go to the office to queue to collect your money. The money is paid directly into your bank account. So let's take a better look into the world of this opportunity. So how do you earn from Alliance Emotion Global? There are 6 basic ways to earn from this business, and I'll be going through the first 2, which are the most important one. The first way to earn from this business is what we call the retailing. From the retailing, you can earn 25% profit from products being marketed by AIM Global. Now here is one of our products, which is the C247. The C247 distributor price is 6,950. So as a member, when you buy C247, you buy it at 6,950 naira. And when you sell to people, you sell it at 9,250. That's the recommended retail price. So that's the price the company says you can sell it. You can't sell it lower than that price. So from this, a box of C247, you make a profit of 2,300. And from that, when you sell 10 boxes in a month, you make a profit of 23,000. And if you have 100 customers and you can sell 100 boxes of C247, you make a profit of 230,000. You can see that this is a good business. And in AIM Global, there is no quota. No quota means there is no minimum amount of product you can order. You can buy 1 box, you can buy 10 boxes, you can buy 20 boxes. There is no minimum to the amount of products you can order. Also, let's go into the other method of earning. We have the binary. The binary system allows you to earn from the networking aspect. Now, in AIM Global, we have 2 packages. One is the associate pack and the other is the global pack. So now the first thing we'll be looking at is the associate pack binary earnings. So if you join Alliance Emotion using the associate package, you earn a direct referral bonus of 3,000 naira. So let's say this is you, right A, and then you bring Mr. A and Mr. B. Then for bringing Mr. A and B, you get a bonus of 3,000 naira. That is your referral bonus. So Mr. A makes you 3,000 and Mr. B makes you 3,000, making a total of 6,000. Then after that, we have the matching bonus, which is 4,800. So for the matching bonus, Mr. A on your left and Mr. B on your right, we give you a matching bonus of 4,800. So when you join, your network will be divided into 2 groups, the left hand side and the right hand side. So one person on your left, A on the left, and one on the right gives you 4,800, which gives you a total of 10,800. Mr. A brings 2 people, A1 and A2. Mr. B brings two people, A1 and B1 and B2. Then you at the top, you win a double bonus of 4,800. So as more people are joining on your left and more are joining to the right, you'll be earning your bonus of 4,800 naira till infinity. And this does not have a time frame or maintenance. You earn this till infinity. Now, if you join AIM Global using the global package, binary system under the global package, we earn you a referral bonus of 5,000 naira. So if you registered with the global package, and this is you bring in Mr. A and Mr. B. For bringing Mr. A and Mr. B, you earn a bonus of 5,000 naira each, which makes you a total of 10,000. Now your network is divided into group, left group and right group. And now we have a matching bonus of 9,600 naira. So the matching bonus of 9,600 means one on left, one on right, 9,600. You can see it's different from the associate. For the associate, it is half, which is 4,800. But if you join with the global package, you will earn 9,600 matching bonus. So for one person to your left, one person to your right, you always earn 9,600. As more people are joining on left and right, remember left and right group, more people are joining, you'll be earning your bonus of 9,600 with the global package, and you can earn up to 153,000 daily, and this does not require any maintenance, and we have a daily payout system. So let's look at a scenario here. Let's say this is you join and you bring Ada, and when you bring Ada registers, you bring Obi also joins under you. Now for bringing Ada and Obi, the company will pay you a bonus of 9,600. Yeah. So when you bring Ada brings John, then Obi also brings David. For John and David under you may not know them, the company will still pay you a bonus of 9,600. John brings Faith, David brings Easy. You still get your 9,600. As more people are joining to your left and more on your right, you get paid your bonus. Now let's look at another example. This is me right here, and then after watching this video, you decide to join under me, and that is you on my left. And so when you join on my left, you bring Ada, and Ada joins you, but you are not able to find one person, and then I find Obi, and I decide to put Obi under you. So this is Obi on your other side. For Ada and Obi under you, the company will still pay you 9,600. So you get paid from your uplines referral. Then Ada brings John, Obi brings David. You still get paid your 9,600. John brings Faith, David brings Easy. You get paid your 9,600 bonus. This is an instant payment and no time frame. We also have other means of earning, which are the unilevel, sales step, royalty income, and profit sharing. So how do you get started with Alliance Emotion? To get started, you only need to make a one-time purchase of your desired business package and request for the corresponding income plan. So we have two major packages right now, which is the global package, which costs 7,000 naira. With the global package, your matching bonus will be 9,600. And we have the associate package, which costs 38,000 naira. So you can join with either of these packages. And what will you get with these packages? You get a variety of products worth more than your money back. Then you get a business kit. You get an online tracking center. Online tracking center is where you can access your account online. You have username and password, which you use to access your account and monitor your business. Then you have access to training and resources. Then this is a lifetime international business. If you join in Nigeria, you can go to Ghana to do your business. You can go to Dubai. It is not based on a location. This is a international business. This is an international business. It's worldwide. So if you leave Nigeria and you go to our office in Cameroon, you can as well do your business from there. Here are pictures of some of our achievers in this business with their cars right there. And here are more pictures of car awards in the company. Here's a screenshot of payment from Alliance Emotion Global. You can pause the video to look more at that. So my friend, are you ready? If you are ready to do this business, then we are ready to work with you. I will encourage you to join the right team today. Come and join our team. We have a leading team in Africa, and we'll put you through on everything you need to start this business. So you may be wondering, what if you don't know people? What if you don't know how to get people? Well, we will be helping you and we'll be showing you how to get people under your network. We won't just register and abandon you. When you come on board, we also guide you and support you. We'll be providing you with all the help we can to make sure that you grow and make money in this business. We'll be giving you quality tools and resources that you need to grow in this business. So I've just presented to you the same opportunity that has changed many lives around the world, and I hope you get on board this opportunity. I believe this is what you have been waiting for, so don't waste any time. Get on board now and let's do this business. Before I end this video, I want you to remember that buying and selling is necessary. You are not forced to buy or sell anything. This is just a simple business that is guaranteed to make you quality income.